Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to explore how you can access your Evernote notes and notebooks offline. This is perfect for anyone who travels often, experiences unreliable internet, or simply wants to make sure all their important information is always available. First, open the Evernote app on your device. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top left. Then, from the menu that appears, select the Settings option. After opening Settings, scroll down until you find the Offline section. Click on Offline and you will see an option labeled Make All Available Offline. Turn this option on, and Evernote will begin downloading all your notes and notebooks to your device. This process might take a few minutes, depending on the number of notes you have. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.